Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert a video in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up Docs, then click go to Docs, then here click this blank page, and basically let's suppose that we will enter some text here, and when the person will tap on the text, they will be redirected to that specific link. Okay, so let's suppose I will type here, click here to watch, then I will go on to the YouTube here, and let's suppose I want to include this video. Tap on three dots, share, copy link, then select this text here, right click and insert link, and here just paste the link and click on apply. And now when the person will basically tap on this option here, they will be redirected to this link, and when they will tap on this link, they
Epidemic Sound provides you with restriction-free music and
these specific YouTube vi video here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.